Bayan ng Batenya, syempre nagbabalik tayo para sa panibagong video reaction. Ngayon nga, may nag-request sa atin na bigyan ko daw ng video reaction. At sabi, magugustuhan ko daw yung etong sinasabi nila na Love Yours by Owen Lee and SB19. So, yeah, syempre, check natin. No? Di ko alam kung narinig ko na to. Di ko maalala. Pero, yeah, syempre, check natin to. Sabi nila magugustuhan ko. So, check natin. Siyempre, bago ang lahat, subscribe and click mo yung notification bell para updated ka lang sa in-upload natin video reaction. At siyempre, kung ayaw mo maraming post, ilalagay ko yung link sa baba para sa original video. So, siyempre, wag na nating patagalin pa. Love Yours, Love Yours, Love Yours. Narinig ko na ba to? I doubt kung meron na or siguro kung narinig ko man, di ko maalala, somewhere. So, yeah, check natin to. Love Yours by Owen Lee, featuring SB19 official visualizer. So, check na natin to. Owen Lee. So, bali yung video dito is parang some random videos lang. I don't know, pero Love Yours. Pero wait, teka, sino ba tong Owen Lee? 3 years ago, 5.7 subscribers lang. Pero 3 years ago na, so ano to, parang independent artist to, si Owen Lee. Ba't kukunti yung subscribers niya? Check natin, sige, check natin kung anong meron dito. Sometimes I lose, everything is sad and sour. I just release friends, oh, don't look at the bummer. I just really need friends. Yeah, sometimes sa lyrics pa lang no. Kumbaga Love Yours. I just really need friends. Yeah, may mga bagay, may time talaga tayo na parang yeah, I just need companion. I just need someone to talk to. Everything hot and sour. Kumbaga parang, alam mo yun, sala sa init, sala sa lamig. Parang may hot and sour no? Para sa akin, parang hindi lahat talaga, hindi yung, parang lahat ng bagay, hindi talaga tumutugma hot and sour I think mali itong translation. Tama ba? Ito ba talaga yung tamang lyrics nito? I got a start in purr. Tapos I think baby that's over. Even if we break, we always knew. When we under pressure, we show true. Even if we break, we always knew. Tapos under pressure, yeah, kasi pag under pressure ka, talagang sometimes mabibreak ka, no? Even if we break, we always knew. When we under pressure, we show true. We all die a man, don't hide no truth. No, cause the pain will go away, we hate to play it. Yeah, we come and go. Why you keep worrying what for? Yeah, sometimes talaga, kumbaga, let it, kung ano yung mangyari, dapat hayaan mo na lang mangyari kasi hindi mo kasi hindi mo hawak yung sitwasyon wala kang magagawa sa mga ganyan bagay. We all die and don't man deny na. Yeah, wala tayong magagawa sa mga ganyang sitwasyon ng buhay bilang tao no. Kumbaga, mangyayari yan. It's just inevitable, bro. Hindi mo talaga kayang pigilan. Yeah, sometimes yung pag nasa pinakamalalim na sitwasyon ka, nasa mahirap na sitwasyon ka, talagang lumalabas yung totoong tapang sometimes, pero yung minsan yung ugali, di ba? Pag may ganun pag may jugpit ka, talagang lalabas yung pinakaugali mo, or may sometimes yung pressure, yung problema, lahat lumalabas yung tapang natin sa sarili natin. Yeah, that's life. And that's normal. And don't hide no truth. No, cause the pain will go away, we hate to play it. Yeah, we come and go. Why you
not enough, fill it up now.
Tapos, and if you feel like you oh, come on, Stel. No, Stel, come on, bro.
Yeah, we come and go. Why you keep worrying what for? And if you think it's not enough, fill it up.
And if you think it's not enough, fill it up now. Siyempre, not enough. Kailangan, kumbaga, hindi yan puno, fill it up, punuan mo na yan. Pero siyempre, it's not enough. Kung kulang pa, bigyan mo ng panahon, no? So, siyempre, gano'n lang din naman yun eh. Bigyan mo ng pagkakataon, punuan.
Now, and if you feel like you can't do a thing you wanna.
God damn! I don't know kung anong... Bro, what?
And if you feel like you can't do a thing you wanna to do, just breathe your doubts away. I'm letting you know, I'm letting it go. All this time, I'll see it through. I'm going to the things.
Wait lang! Hindi pa ako nakakabawi dun sa... Ay, talaga na ito ni Stel eh. Gutom na ako. Gaganon pa si Stel. Pambira. Teka lang, Stel, bro. Wait.
Can't do a thing you wanna to do, just breathe it down.
Gah!
I'm letting you know, I'm letting it go. All
Stel,
this
bro.
time, I'll see it through. I'm going to the things I do. You can't keep me.
Sometimes, napapagod na ako kay Stel eh. Alam mo yun? Yung parang, Stel, kumanta ka na lang ng normal. Ano ba? Kumbaga, normal voice na lang, Stel. Yung tamang kanta na lang. Please, Stel, bro. Stel, bro. Come on.
Down, oh yeah, can't keep me down. All these lies, no, they can't go through. Sometimes don't believe in you. Don't you keep you down. Love yours, so you won't drown. No, love yours, love yours, love yours, love yours, love yours, love yours. 'Cause we were meant to break through. Love yours, love yours, love yours.
It's like parang love yours, yung pagmamahal, love yours, pero yung love yours, kumbaga mahalin mo yung something, sarili mo, love yours. Love yours.
Love yours, God will keep you down. Love yours, so you won't drown. No,
Yeah, doubt will keep you drowned. Love
God
yours.
will keep you down. Love yours,
Yeah, doubt will keep you down. Love yours, yourself, love yours, sarili mo or something sa sarili.
so you won't drown. No, that's fine, I'm turning it up. I've been living with the fear and I brought it up.
Let's go, Ken.
Can't lie, it's all my fault. I'd have blaming anyone else 'cause I brought it up.
Yeah. Kung alam mo sa sarili mo na ikaw yung nagkamali, don't blame it on others, bro. Kahit ano pang sitwasyon yan. Decision mo yan, panindigan mo yan, pagkakamali mo yan, akuin mo yung pagkakamali na yan. I think sa Pilipinas pala to, itong part na to sa Pagudpud. I think sa Pagudpud to.
I'm pretty consistent 'cause I maintain. Hate it on myself, I know it's not a good thing.
I hate it on myself. I know it's not a good thing. Which is facts, bro. Facts. Every time na paggalit ka sa sarili mo at ayaw mo sa sarili mo, wala kang mangyayari at walang magagawa. Walang mangyayari sa'yo at walang magandang mangyayari sa'yo, bro.
But every day I wake up at the same thing. Every day the same thing.
Every day.
And if you feel like you can't do a thing you wanna.
Oh, man. Anong... Bro, sinasabi ko na sa'yo, Stel. I know you can do it, Stel, but please, 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 wag naman yung pahirapan mo kaming na nakikinig sa'yo.
Just breathe it out. I'm letting you know, I'm letting it go. All this time, I'll see it through. I'm gonna do the things I do. You can't keep me down, oh yeah, can't keep me down. All these lies, no, they can't go through. Sometimes don't believe in you. Don't you keep you down, love yours, so you won't drown, no. Love yours, love yours, love yours, love yours, love yours, love yours. 'Cause we were meant to break through. Love yours, love yours, love yours, love yours. God will keep you down, love yours, so you won't drown, no.
Yung mga ganitong style, para sa akin yung ganitong style kanta, ito talaga yung alam mo yun, nakaka-good vibes. Kasama nito yung mga kanta ng SB19 na Love Goes, isa to, Love Yours, tapos yung The One, nakaraan. And then, syempre, ito yung mga light mood na gustong-gusto mong pakinggan during siguro pag medyo marami kang iniisip. Tapos pag gusto mo naman siguro mag-senti, no? May mga moment may mga moment tayo na gusto natin mag-senti, yung mga time, yung mga ilaw, mga liham, yung mga quit, yung mga time na pang-anuhan natin, pang-senti, yung mga pang-senti natin yun eh. Talagang yung lahat ng emotion mo bibigay ng SB19 eh.
I know someday we'll be free, yeah, yeah. Love yours, don't you keep you down, love yours, so you won't drown, no.
Chorus by Only and SB19, yeah. And then, syempre, lyrics by John Paul Nase and Only, si Pablo, Only. Yeah. Collaboration ng Korean, Visualize, yeah. Okay. Man, I love this. I love this song, bro. Sobrang light, tapos, maganda rin yung message, light yung sound, light yung song, sobrang relatable din yung music eh, yung lyrics ng kanta na to. So yeah, I like, para sa akin mga nasa 8 out of 10 na kanta with collaboration with other artists. So SB19, so yeah, approve.